This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by connecting the displays so Windows can detect them. Plug the second monitor into an available HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C port and use an adapter if needed. This ensures signal compatibility. Once connected, power both monitors and boot Windows. Make sure the primary display shows your desktop first. If not, swap cables temporarily to identify ports. Once done, open Settings and head to Display. This begins the configuration where Windows lists detected screens. Now you'll tell Windows how the monitors relate so your mouse moves naturally between them. Open Settings, go to System then Display, and click Identify. You'll see numbers on each screen. Drag the blue rectangles to match their physical positions and select the monitor you want as main to place the taskbar and new windows there. Make sure resolution and scaling match recommended values for each monitor. Choose Extend to get a larger desktop or Duplicate if you want the same image on both. Finish by applying settings and testing real tasks. Drag applications across monitors and confirm keyboard shortcuts behave as expected. If you need finer control, open the display adapter properties to adjust color calibration, refresh rate, and GPU scaling to optimize performance. Make sure to save any custom scaling or layout. If Windows does not detect the second monitor, replug cables, switch ports, restart the PC, and update the graphics driver. These steps resolve most detection issues and get your dual monitor setup running reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.